Welcome back to GJD. Today we are going to apply a pave to a simple ring. First, we are going to turn on history, since Rhino 5.0 now supports that for sweep 1 rail. As you can see over here, after we created the shape, we can more or less move the original cross section just a little bit. Let me select it, move it up, and notice that the whole ring updates. That's new on 5.0. So let me use this geometry and copy the surface on top of the ring. I need that in order to apply the new pave. Copy equals to yes. And now we can hide it for a moment. Let me change the color or apply a material to my ring so it looks a little bit better. So here I have the ring and the surface. So let me open up my definition, select first my surface, right? And now I can apply the size of the caret to be 0.03, which is more or less 2 millimeters in diameter. Now I can adjust how all the pave will orient around the ring. I already know these numbers, so all I have to do is type them on my definition, and notice how more or less 100 paves orient normal to the ring. Okay. This is all in real time. They are perfect. That's where I need them. So let me go back to perspective, and I can see my ring. And now that I'm happy with this, I can make all the circles. So I have the pave on top of my ring. Okay? So that's the first step. The second one is to apply all the prongs, and for that I select the reference. Notice that we have a very nice interface to see how to orient each pave around those circles. Now we need to select the reference surface where I need to apply the prongs. And now we can use the filter. This is new in 5.0. I'm going to select only curves. So I'm going to select multiple curves. I'm going to try to select all the pavés. There. Let me deselect this one that I don't need it. Once I hit enter, notice that I have a very nice preview. Okay. Now let's change some parameters. All right. First, the distance in between the stones, the radius of the prongs. Notice that I'm changing more or less 200 of them in real time. And I can move around, change the position of prong number 1, and this is prong number 2. I can have up to 6 on my definition. Okay, I can set the percentage of how much the prong is going inside the stone. Let me preview the prongs. There you have them. It's so nice, it's so clean, so easy, and I can even change the height of my prongs. Let's set it to 0.5. So all of them change in real time. Let me minimize this viewport for a moment. And let's see another feature of this definition that we love so much. And that is the possibility to move each prong plus or minus 1 or 2 degrees to the left or to the right, more or less, so that it doesn't look like it was made by a CNC machine. So let's see how it works. If I set it to randomly, all the prongs are going to move randomly from left to right, plus or minus 2 degrees. And you can set the prongs as flat on top or round on top, and also as a mesh. It depends on how you are going to export the model. So one more time, let's move it just a little bit and see how they move. They move from left to right, all of them at the same time, randomly. This is so cool. I cannot imagine one moving each one of those just a little bit, and we have only 200 over here. So this is the possibilities that Grasshopper brings to the table. Okay, now we are set. We are happy with the distribution. All we need to do is bake. And that's it. Bake it. Choose the layer. And that's it. Let me turn off my definition. Minimize it. Let me select all the circles, hide them for a moment, select all the solids, all the prompts, apply a material, bingo. Isn't that nice? I hope you like it. It's quite easy to use, very fast. And these are perfect solids. All you need to do is either boolean them or export as STL. Thank you.